Top 5 Best Drones. Number 5. Force 1 Drones with Camera 720p HD Camera Drone, one of our best drones with camera for adults and kids. 4GB micro SD card and reader let the drone camera capture and store RC drone images. Easy drone for kids and adults. Engage 1 button flips and fly RC quadcopter drone at 2 speeds. LED lights flash when battery is low. A great drone for beginners feature. Super stable camera drone for beginners. 6-axis gyro enables smooth drone camera footage. Headless mode orients the RC drone to the pilot's position. Bonus drone battery plus power bank. Fly your remote control drone for up to 18 minutes of flight per charge. RC drone power bank stores and recharges drone battery power. Quality assured. FlyAppy will provide a full refund if you're not 100% tickled pink with one of our top drones for adults, kids and everyone in between.
Amazon products link check in the description.
Number 4. 3DR Solo Drone Quadcopter. Designed from the ground up as a companion to the GoPro Hero, the Solo Quadcopter from 3D Robotics features aerial imaging specific flight modes including cable cam mode and follow me. A quad-rotor configuration. Flight stability and autonomous flying are enabled thanks to a twin computer flight control system. The flight controller relies on GPS for navigational coordinates, plus uses data from gyros, accelerators, and other sensors to keep the aircraft safely flying. The Solo is designed to be paired with the separately available Solo gimbal, a 3-axis stabilizer compatible with the GoPro Hero 3 Plus or Hero 4 action camera. Number 3. Parrot Bebop 2 Plus Black Sky Controller. Meet Bebop 2, a second-generation Parrot quadcopter drone. First in its weight class to surpass 20 minutes of autonomous flight time, this sleek and durable drone doesn't just travel far, it travels well. The 3-axis digital stabilization offers pilots a fixed angle of the view, regardless of altitude or turbulence. The 14MP x 1080p camera captures the moment via live streaming video or recorded clips. Take in the horizon with a stunning 186 degrees field of view and keep track of your location with the new, powerful rear flash LED. Fly for up to 25 minutes at speeds of up to 38 miles per hour. Number 2. Holy Stone F181W Wi-Fi FPV Drone. 120 degrees FOV HD Wi-Fi camera, equipped with the newest 720p 120 degrees wide-angle HD Wi-Fi camera, which allows you to take high-res pictures and video during flight. FPV real-time transmitting. With the built-in Wi-Fi module, you can see exactly what your camera sees with a live video on your mobile device by installing the app. Automatic altitude hold. Powerful air pressure altitude hold function allows you to release the throttle stick and the drone will keep hovering at the current height. Easy for you to shoot quality images or videos. Easy, safe and fun to play for beginners. Built in the latest 6-axis flight control systems offer strong stability, easily implement various flight movements, stronger wind resistance. Headless mode eliminates need to adjust aircraft position before flight and improves learning curve. Double flight time. Includes 2 strong powerful 3.7-volt 750 mAh LiPo batteries to extend the fun. FAA registration not required. Number 1. DJI Phantom 4 Pro Professional Drone. An uprated camera is equipped with a 1-inch megapixel sensor capable of shooting 4K, 60 fps video in burst mode, stills at 14 fps. The adoption of titanium alloy and magnesium alloy construction increases the rigidity of the airframe and reduces weight, making the Phantom 4 Pro similar in weight to the Phantom 4. The flight autonomy system adds dual rear vision sensors and infrared sensing systems for a total of 5 directions of obstacle sensing and 4 directions of obstacle avoidance.